And up Mr. Xavier Benissimo moving up down on the inside, then moving up on the outside. Thunderbird Tarlac is sneaking in down on the inside in between runners kay Maki as they rounded the last 600. Benissimo, Thunderbird is on the outside. Mr. Xavier is running by the rail third. Down in fourth is Tarlac, followed by Salinas. Then comes kay Maki, Famous Girl Sambat. And go, Vinny is running at the tail of the field as they swing for home. Three runners are now fighting it out for the lead. Mr. Xavier running in between runners. Benissimo is in second, then running by the rail Tarlac, Thunderbird, Salinas, Benissimo, Mr. Xavier is on the outside, second Salinas, and leading the finish line, we have Benissimo winning this race over Mr. Xavier, close between Salinas, Tarlac, and kay Maki for your Pentafecta.